Hi, this is Kayla Murphy from the Fabric Garden in Madison, Maine and fabricgarden.com. I hope you're all doing well and thank you for watching this little video. We've been quite busy. We've been showing you lots of fabric over the last few weeks. We've been stitching up some nice quilt projects in kits. So we have everything ready for you to make a project. The first one I wanted to show you is called Snapshots. It's beautiful. It's right behind me. It's a very simple fat quarter quilt. And it's hard to see, but there's really pretty pearlescence, not metallic, but pearlescence. Nice little touch in all these fabrics here. So you see beautiful dragonflies, which are always quite popular. You see nice chrysanthemums, nice little bubble stripe in here. And the colors, I think, is what makes it quite striking. We have the teals, the lavenders, the lavender set on black, which is quite striking, cobalt blue, aquamarine blue. So this is a nice quilt kit. It is actually 70 by 88, so it's a really nice size quilt. It comes with all your fat quarters. It does come with your binding and actually the whole book to do your snapshot quilt kit. And the quilt kit available online, fabricgarden.com, or in the store is $129.99. So that's one of our first projects. Our second project that I love and people have enjoyed seeing and are just really happy with it, we're calling it a charm panel quilt. Now you might say, oh, a panel quilt. Well, I think we've elevated it quite a ways. So this beautiful quilt kit features an all-over fabric that goes from light to dark, has again that beautiful silvery pearlescence look to it, little wispy lavenders on the bottom, aquas, pale lavender, just really pretty and very nice. We actually cut our own squares, 5-inch squares, out of the coordinating materials. And again, very naturey. You see the little branches, a little like fairy dust in here, tonals, wispy like little pine twigs and things like that. So your 5-inch squares border it. To break it up from the border, we have a really narrow inner border. And that's actually white with silver, very delicate to kind of break it up. We wanted the border to be a little different rather than 1, 2, 3, 4 plain border. So we really did what would be like a mitered border, and we did a light and a dark to really offset it and add some texture and interest. Now, you might say, I don't want to do a mitered border. Well, we did it a little bit easy. We're using half square triangles, so the pattern in the kit is really easy to do. So don't, possibly get intimidated by this. So this is kind of giving you a little bit of a close-up of this beautiful quilt kit. The outside teal border again has that pearlescence in the silver and the pale teal and dark teal. And it's quite striking. I think it'd be very nice as an addition to your projects. So it's actually, we call it the Charm Panel Quilt. It's 54 by 72, so it's a good size, and it's $129.99. It includes all the fabric and directions to do this quilt kit. Again, available online or at the Fabric Garden if you do come shopping. Thanks. What I'd like to show you now is some new fabric that we got in. We haven't done a project, it just came in yesterday, but I think it's really fun. So your little tykes. You're making quilts, little projects. This is actually from Moda. And it features a play mat. This is actually made on a lightweight canvas. It's printed on canvas, so it's a little thicker than your regular weight quilting cottons. And it's awfully cute. I could just imagine somebody playing with their little Hot Wheels, going around the circle and going to the different places around the mat. So this is a really fun play mat. It's actually 54 inches wide and 36 high. So that is actually $16.99 for the whole panel on a lightweight canvas. Now you might make a little quilt to go with it or something else. So I want to show you some of the fabrics that we got with it. This is all like the one all around town with the little streets and the little fire trucks going round and round the houses. Awfully cute. Now you are on the move. Maybe someday we're going to be flying. So here's a cute little airplane with the helicopters and the emergency vehicle copters, helipads. So cute planes in this fabric. A great little texture, right? Little tonal or a texture. Little gridded with the little airplanes up in the sky. So that's a little sky airplane fabric. This is all over all your little vehicles. We have the little fire trucks, the ambulances, the little campers, the little policemen. So this is a really adorable vehicle print. Now, we can't have on the move without tractors and construction. So I actually have two fabrics, and this is the gray with the yellow, and we have the digging, the little construction trucks, all over like that for all over constructions. And just because we cannot forget the green and gold, different construction fabric right in here. So fun fabrics, new, something fun to do up some nice little quilts or projects for your little tykes. Hi, I'd like to just take a minute to remind you about our virtual quilt challenge that we're running. Janome is celebrating their 100-year anniversary, and we at the Fabric Garden, I wanted to do something special. You can find all the information on our website, but we're taking some quilt projects. Someone will win, but watch what somebody will win. Somebody will win an S7 plus accessories worth over $3,000. So you can check our website or stop in. We are featuring the lovely 100-year anniversary fabric from Janome, which we do have in stock and online. We have the kits that you can use and information. So it's something we wanted to do to be very thankful for the Janome and also us as a 37 years as a dealer. We're very happy. Thank you for all your support. So check the website. Thanks so much.